Hello guys, I'm Ace Mirxa from Programming Master, and today it will be our 8th class of the series Adobe Photoshop for Beginners. So guys, our today's agenda will be healing brush tool, spot healing brush tool and patch tool. So these tools we will be covered in this video or in this session. So guys, let me go to the our Photoshop without wasting the time. Okay, so now right now guys, this is a image. Actually, this is an image provided by the Adobe since Adobe Photoshop 6, not CS6. It is the 6th version, Adobe Photoshop 6. So actually these tools, the spot healing brush tool and patch tool will be provided was provided in Adobe Photoshop 6. So that's why they provided this sample as well. So actually this sample is provided by the Adobe only, so the copyright will be for Adobe. Okay, so right now you guys, I'm using this image. So let's suppose what is the usage of these tools. Actually sometimes you can see this is an image back white and black image with multiple of the defects in there, like distortion is there for this image. So what we need to do, we need to patch it, so it will be good, or it will be, so it will recover for better, for the better purpose or any purpose you can say. So guys, let's go with the healing brush tool first, because after healing brush tool we will go with the spot brushing tool, spot healing brush tool, and after that we will go with the pad tool. First is the healing brush tool. Actually you also learned about the clone stamp tool. If you didn't check my video, then I will give uh, the link for this video in this session, so you can get the idea once you will click on the link and watch the video. Okay guys, so right now let's suppose I checked this clone stamp tool will be used for the clone of the selected area. So what I need to do, I will click with the alt, and let's suppose I just want to remove this I just want to remove this defect area. So what I need to do is I can simply click here with the alt and then get the source, and after that I can simply drag it. So let's do, and we'll check the idea, and we'll check the result, what is the result with the clone stamp tool. Okay guys, as you can see, I just picked the source from here and pasted here. So as you can see, the color is also coming so color is also coming, like the dark color is also coming. So this is don't I don't want, this is not my needy, so you can say this is not my desire. What I need to do then, I cannot use this tool. So what I need to do, I need to go with the healing brush tool. Okay, so now the purpose is same, but the result will be different. So what I need to do, simply I can get the sample from here, and then I can paste it here. Okay, so let's pause. Okay guys, actually you are able to say I'm unable to draw anything because I didn't select there the all layers. If I will select the all layers, then it will be good for us, because right now this image is the background image or logged image. So right now I will be not able to do anything. So what I need to do, I need to go with the all layers. Now I will select the all layers, and with the all layers, now I will be able to each and everything. So now I selected the healing brush tool, and after that I will select a source, and then we can patch this thing. Now if you are able to see, I selected the source from here, but that color didn't come because actually the patch has been happened, and the image is the this area has been restored, but the color didn't come because I select the healing tool. What is the use of healing tool? It will be same as the close temp tool, but it will get the most accurate color of the surrounding area. So that's why if I will select from here with the darker, but it will come in the accurate one. As you can see guys, now it is getting good. Okay, so guys, let's pause 1 minute. Let me show you the result. If I will unhide this layer, now you can see it is there. Okay, so let me revert all the thing because I don't need this one, or we can simply. Okay, so now how the patch is working. Okay, so guys, there is another thing. I don't need to discuss all of these things. Just we are using the healing brush tool with these properties only. So now what is the use of spot healing brush tools? So let's suppose guys, I want to use this healing tool, healing brush tool. But what I need to do, I don't need to select any source now, because what I will, if I will simply drag here my cursor, then here I need to select the simple R layers as well, because with the simple R layers we can get the effect. I will click on the simple R layers. Now if I will drag here, you will be able to see now the patch has been filled. Okay, so this how it's working. The distortion is filling now. Okay, so guys, actually we are not using the spot healing brush tool too much, because if there is a much larger area, or you can say there is a large defect is there. So if you are able to, if you are working with the spot healing brush tool, then what it will do, it will select the random color of the image. Actually basically it is selecting the random color of the image. So working with the larger area, then it will get the a color from a different source, then definitely it will be not good result for you. Okay, so that's why we are using, if we are working with a spot healing brush tool, we need to go with the small changes, not with the big one changes. Okay, so that's why we are not using the spot healing brush tool. And there is another thing, if let's suppose I my actually if let's suppose my image has more issue in the image, more defects are there, and we already know spot healing brush tool is picking that source from random. So definitely it will not work on that image. So that's why we are not using the spot healing brush tool. But this is the usage of spot healing brush tool. If you want to work with the spot healing brush tool, you don't need to go with the source. Okay, so now guys, this is our patch tool. Actually in the patch tool, as you can see, there is no layer all option is there. So what I need to do, I can simply copy this image with the control, 1 minute, with the control J, I can create a copy. And now what I need to do, I need to select these two layers with the shift, and then I will click on the, and then I need to press the button control plus E, which will be responsible to create a group for these two layers. So let's go. Now it is created as the layer 2. If you are able to see, if I will hide this layer, now we have these defects are there. Okay, so if I will select this one, now you are able to see there is no defect. There are less defects. Okay, so now what I need to do, one, let me go to the patch tool. In the patch tool, what I need to do, I can select simply this area. Okay, this area, and I need to drag this area to the right one, or you can say the smooth one. So now if you are able to see, my patch is working fine. So this is how we can work for the larger area. If you are going for the speedy work, then you will definitely go with this approach. It is a good approach. Okay, let me speed up the things. As you can see, now I am dragging here with the light color, but it is selecting the color according to the requirement. So this is also a good point for the patch tool. Okay, right now as you can see, my patch tool didn't work here, because whenever it will the image is coming in the edges, then it will not work here. So what I need to do here, I can use the spot healing or healing brush tool. 1 minute, this is not so not good result. Let me go with the spot healing tool. Okay, now as you can see, this is much better. Now we can go. So guys, now our picture is pretty much fine. That's why I'm using the spot healing tool, because there is no defect right now. So definitely it will not pick any defect. If it is checking the random then it will definitely not pick any of the defect area. So that's why I will use this one. Okay, if I will go with the control and plus, then you can see there is another issue with the air as well. So we fix this one. So guys, this is our final result. Let me minimize the image. This is our final result. So if you can see, if I will hide this image. So this was the image before, and this is the after image. So guys, that's how we are working with the spot healing and patch tool. So guys, actually this is a short video for these three tools. I hope you got the idea for this tool. So if you really like my video guys, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you guys, we will meet in the next session.